Excuse me,
Yes, please.
I think you are Sporsho, right?
Yes.
So, Mr. Sporsho, what did you learn from spoken English level 1 and 2?
Thanks for asking. Actually, I have learned many things from level 1 and level 2. There are 5 levels in our spoken English and spoken English, and 1 and level 1 and level 2 is very important. From level 1, at first I have learned 4 skills in English. I have learned special greetings. I have learned how to say hey, how to say hello, and I have also learned how to yes, how to say no, and how to show interest, how to give negative information, and I also learned some conversation between how to conversation with my friends, and at last I've learned I talked about the importance of learning English, and from level 2 I've learned some vivas and some conversation, and I have also learned some basic and standard grammars, and I have also learned difference between American and British language, and at last I've learned I talked about the main topic in my local.
Is it helpful for you?
Okay, it's very helpful for me because if I meet any of my friends, so that time I need to at first I need to greet with him. So this greet I learned from level 1, and I also learned a talk show. The talk show will help me to create more talk shows, and I have also learned how to communicate a person with telephone. So if a person call me a telephone, so that time I can communicate him with the telephone easily, and I have learned the spoken grammar. So this standard programmers will help me to tell smart English, and I have also learned the difference between American and British language. This time the difference help me to tell American language, basic language. So that's why I'm thinking that it's very helpful for my life.
Thank you.